All right, what's going on, y'all? My name is Stacy, and welcome to my channel, Hands in the Dirt. Today, we're going to be doing some shopping in my backyard grocery store. All right, we're going to get some collards this morning. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, the first thing we're going to do is get some of these hybrid collard greens. These are called flash collard greens. I never grown these before, but I'm going to get some of these leaves out of here to thin them out a little bit. It's beautiful green. They're going in the pot. This flash collard green is supposed to be a green that's quick to harvest, in like 60 or 70 days. It's nice looking green. And I'm not gonna be able to tell you what they taste like because they're going in there with everything else. I'll have to come back and pick some separate. They make a beautiful leaf. It's a beautiful green. This green's supposed to be like an upright green too. They're not supposed to spread out like the Georgia collards would. But when I planted them, my first time planting them, I didn't know if I planted them too close together or what. Could be bad leaves. Just going in my compost. Yeah, that's a pretty picture. I'm gonna make that my thumbnail. There we go. There we are. We're gonna cut those back pretty good. But I have more in that container. I have even more in that container. And then my Savoy cabbage is coming along real good. Like I said, I was just dropping seeds and some of the stuff I planted a little too close together, but they're gonna be all right. All right, over here, I got some vape collars and some champion collars. We got to thin this out over here. We can see what we got in here. Look at them greens, y'all. We want to get some of these young tender leaves. Don't ask me to differentiate between the Vates and the Champions and the Georgias because I got them all in here. I had labels, but you know, once they grew up and you can't see the labels. Nice colors. All right, let's That's enough butchering right here. Well, I guess I would call this my main batch of collards right here. We don't got into. Let's get into these. Get these cut back. These are Georgia collards. Big pretty leaves. I should have been came and got some of these out of here. Greens. All right, let's get some of these from this side. Like I said, we got a mixture of Vates, Champion, and Georgia Southern collards in here. I had them more separated last year in different beds, but this year I labeled them. But once they grew up big, I found what the labels are. I'm looking for them. I just know that they're collards and they're going in the pot. See this plant right here? That looks like a collard, don't it? But it's not a collard. That is a Portuguese kale. So I got a video coming up where I'm going to be making a dish with some of this Portuguese kale. Let me get some of these greens off the back side here. Let's see, we'll get some of these little tender ones. Now I'm finna go over here and get some of these turnip greens. All right, y'all, this stuff is thick in here. Get a couple of these. I'm gonna rinse them off before I put them in there with the collar. All right, y'all, this is my Alaskan peas. I'm gonna show y'all, and it's loaded, and they still producing. Something that I really like to do is come out to the garden, take a pea, and eat it right out the garden. Can't beat that. That is delicious. All right, y'all. All right, let me show y'all this broccoli Romanesco. Whoa. Y'all see her? She's showing y'all. That's one. I don't want to get in here too much. If it'll focus, that's two. I got two showing. All right, that's my third one showing. This one, I don't know if she hasn't done anything yet. Look like something way down in there. I'm gonna leave her alone. So that's 4 plants. But I actually got another one here that's 5, 6 broccoli Romanesco. And then I have a another one right here. And I'm not gonna dig down in there. We might as well try to get a carrot or two. Need something to snack on. Watching these games today. A little short rascal. I grew this type this spring, but I thought I put a different type in here too. Maybe I didn't. But I thought I did. But I didn't. These are the ones I grew this past spring. The short stubby ones, but they're good. These could have stayed in there for a while. How about that? I'm gonna rinse this enough. I'll rinse this off. And this will go in the pot. No, I mean this will go in the house as a snack. Rinse them off, y'all. What y'all think? Look good, huh? We're gonna tear these up. It's supposed to have some watermelon radish. I don't know if this is one or not. See some bulbs over here. I don't know. There we go, y'all. Let me cut these open and see what's going on. See what it tastes like. There we go, y'all. Collards. Guess what that is? Purple whole peas right out the garden. All right, y'all. We've harvested some collard greens. We've also picked some carrots. We picked some radish. We picked some golden bulb turnips. All right. If you like this content, like I said, like, subscribe. If you want to get some of my merch, down in my description. All right. You'll find my store. And remember, if you have some seeds, put them in the dirt.